PADPAO, Philippine Association of Detectives and Protectives Agency Operation Inc. SOSIA, Supervisory Office for Security and Investigation Agencies. 11 General Order. Number 1. To take charge of the post and all company properties in view, to protect and preserve the same with utmost diligence. Number 2. To walk in alert manner during my tour of duty and observing everything that takes place within sight or hearing. Number 3. To report all violations of regulations and orders I am instructed to enforce. Number 4. To relay all calls from posts more distant from security house where I am stationed. Number 5. To quit my post only when properly relieved. Number 6. To receive, obey, and pass on to the relieving guard all orders from the company officers or officials, supervisors, post in charge, and chief leaders. Number 7. To talk to no one except in the line of duty. Number 8. To sound or call the alarm in case of fire or disorder. Number 9. To call the superior officer in any case not covered by instruction. Number 10. To salute and or bow all company officials, superiors in the agency, ranking public officials, and officers of the Philippine National Police. Number 11. To be especially watchful at night during the time of challenging, to challenge all persons on or near my post, and to allow no one to pass or loiter without proper authority.